everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So yesterday, Friday, like I said, you guys will see this a little bit later just because my videos are a little bit behind as I'm trying to film ahead in case I don't have time to film some, so just to keep you guys entertained. But yesterday, finished tuning the car. Tim Barth did the tuning. Really awesome guy, really responsive. Everything went pretty smooth. The car's pulling really good. It threw a code last night, but it went away. So just need to do some more logs and see if the code comes back up. Sure, it's nothing major. Really happy with how the car pulls, and I really like the switch to E85. I still need to do a video on pump gas with meth versus E85, but the biggest difference is you can kind of feel when the meth hits, whereas the E85 is just a, you know, right when you floor it, you got all the power right there and pulling all the way through. So that's what I really like about just having the E85 and not the additional meth in there. We're gonna run the car at the track tonight. Now it is getting some belt slips, so this tensioner right here is a 3-inch. I can get the 3.5-inch, which is what I'm gonna need because the belt is slipping with the pulleys I have. I have the 265 upper and the Innovator West, I think it's like a 9.3 or whatever, lower. And when I had just the 265 upper, I could get away with a 3-inch tensioner, but now I need the 3.5-inch because I need it a little bit tighter, or I can get a smaller belt. So I think I'm just gonna get the 3.5-inch tensioner. So gonna talk to Tim on Monday. He said give it to him on Monday, we'll get the right parts ordered. So I'm hitting about like 15 to 16 pounds of boost. I'm not getting my full 20 pounds. So I'm gonna run it how it is just to kind of see how it does, see how the tires hook up. I'm not sure what the power is. Like I said, we didn't dyno it. It was just road tuning, sending maps back to Tim, and he was adjusting them. So we have no idea how much power the car makes. I just know it's on E85, 1300cc injectors, intake cat delete, 265 upper and a lower, but it is only hitting about 15, 16 pounds of boost because of the belt slip issue. Now it doesn't slip all the time, it's just under like a heavy load, so that's why I want to run it at the track and do a log, and we'll make sure everything else is running good before we get the new tensioner on. And after that, we should be good to go for the roll race event coming up April 7th. That's 2 weeks away. Hopefully some of you guys make it out. It's going to be a really cool event. So either way, I'm going to run the car at the track tonight. Probably only like 1 or 2 runs. I just kind of want to see what it does with the tires. That'll be the biggest difference, and I got the drive shaft. So it's not going to run to its full potential, but it'd be good to kind of get some testing in with the tires and getting kind of the launch down with the power. So we'll see you guys at the track. Going to start swapping the tires. Okay, so we're headed to the track. We had to put a spacer on the wheel because the wheel was hitting the sway bar end links, which does happen on Challengers, but supposedly the 17x9 race stars we're not supposed to do that. So we just threw on a little ghetto spacer and hopefully the wheels don't fall off. This is not the best way to do it. The best way to do it is to get shorter sway bar end links. I'm probably freaking Kennedy out right now. She's like, great, the tires are gonna fall off. They should be good though. We got more than 6 full turns, I'm pretty sure. And I brought my torque wrench so we could check them when we get there, just make sure they're still on there. But I think we're good. We'll see, I guess. It's a lot of power to the wheels, so if they're not on all the way, we go bye-bye.
Can you not talk about that?
So we're headed with Branson, his girlfriend, ex-girlfriend, but girlfriend again, Travis, and his girlfriend, Kevin. My mom's in town. I think Rachel's still sleeping. And
your girlfriend.
My girl, Ken. So we're gonna go run it. Like I said, no big hopes. I don't even care if it breaks a freaking 10 because, like I said, it's got belt slip. It's only hitting 15 pounds of boost, and I really just want to see how the tires do and see what kind of 60 foot I can get. So yeah, we'll update you guys when we get there. All right, so Branson's giving the old take the air pressure out there. We're gonna try 17 pounds because you said it'll heat up, right?
Yep.
So when it gets hot, Branson says then it'll hit like 20, maybe 19. So I ran once already. It was 11:02 at 132, but like I said, my car's on low boost today, and it cut out twice. It was a 165 60 foot, so still a shitty 60 foot. But it hooked up a lot better than it did last year just because of the tires. So we're gonna run these a little bit lower. We're gonna try 17 pounds. And then when we do the burnout, I'll upload some cell phone pics, cell phone clips, and but yeah, pretty fun. Kevin, what'd you run? 12.5, 110? 12.5, 110. We both went off idle. We're not even launching yet, so we're gonna have to practice the launches another time.
Lower my tire pressure.
Kevin's gonna lower the tire pressure. These are street tires, so they're still, even though he's all-wheel drive, they're gonna slip a little bit. They're just, I mean, they're street tires.
That's one in second. So.
Oh my gosh. So we'll see what she runs here.
Yeah, it's about 16.
Branson did 16.
Oh, baby, that's gonna wrinkle.
So a little softy. That's your only option is 16. Also, our DA right now is 5,500. Elevation's about 3,500, but the actual DA here is 5,500 right now, so it's pretty high. So just so you guys know. No, I didn't know if you were bringing your demon in or not. Not tomorrow? Yeah. Let me let Cupcake out real quick. Or just let her out, you're right there. Alright guys, so didn't run what we wanted, but I knew the car wasn't going to do well because of the boost issue. So good thing is that I logged it and sent a file to Tim so he can look over it. Second run only ran an 11.3. It cut out like 4 times. You'll see in the video. But so the belt's slipping. Don't know if anything else is going on. We let more tire pressure out of the tires, and actually it spun out more. It actually spun pretty good. Only ran a 1.960 foot. What's up, Kian?
Hi.
Kian. So yeah, got some things to get done, but we got 2 weeks before the roll race event, so I think we'll get it taken care of. I trapped 132 and I was only at, you know, 15 pounds of boost when I should be at 20, and the car was cutting out and I was still spinning. So
Are you filming a video?
yeah.
Are you?
There's Mr.
Hey, what was that noise about? Was that your belt?
No, there's a rock. There's a rock in my brakes and finally fell out.
There's a snake.
You know, I knew it was gonna run like that, so it was good to get it out and test it though, test the tires. Definitely letting out more pressure did not help Branson. So I ran a worse 60 foot. So we got some things to clean up in the tune. Got to get the front wheels on. Got to get the skinnies on. And be back at it in 2 weeks for the roll race event. Make sure you guys come out April 7th. If you come out Friday, it's Grudge Racing, sponsored by Contagia Athletics. And Cuppy. That's the real sneaky cat. We're out.